This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find the center of gravity in engineering mechanics. First, let's define what the center of gravity actually is. It's the single point where an object's entire weight appears to act, essentially its balance point. Knowing this is vital for ensuring stability and proper design in any engineering project. We'll cover the core principles and methods to accurately locate this critical point. Now, let's start with simple shapes. Many common geometric figures, such as rectangles, triangles, and circles, have known centroid locations. For a rectangle, it's simply at the intersection of its diagonals. For more complex but still simple shapes, we use specific formulas. The key is to understand how to apply these basic principles before moving on to more intricate designs. When dealing with more complex objects, we use the composite area method. This involves breaking down the intricate shape into several simpler, recognizable components, like rectangles and triangles. For each of these individual parts, you'll calculate its area and locate its centroid. Finally, you'll sum the moments of these individual components to determine the overall center of gravity for the entire complex shape. Understanding the center of gravity is not just theoretical, it has immense practical value. Engineers apply these methods daily to ensure the stability of buildings, the balance of vehicles, and the proper functioning of machinery. By accurately calculating this point, we can prevent failures and optimize performance. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is important for clear thinking, especially when tackling complex engineering challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.